Hey, what's up guys? This is Big B Stats, and today I'll be bringing you an HD quality tutorial. So just sit back and check it out. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright, first you want to open up Sony Vegas. I use Sony Vegas 7. I have 8, but I got pretty used to 7, so I didn't switch up. So you want to go to File, Properties, and my template is set to NTSC-DV 720 by 480. But if you want to have HD for YouTube, you want to go down here and select HDV 720 by 30p, which is 1280 by 720. So you want to select that and press Apply and press OK. Now I'm going to show you, I'm just going to drag in a clip really quick, Gears of War 2 clip. And as you can see, if I open up this window more down here, close that out, you can see that's wide, like it's stretched out. So let's check that out really quick. And if you want to preview this better, I would suggest going here and press Draft Auto or Preview Auto. It'll run a lot smoother so you can see it. Alright, so we have that. Now, if you want to add black borders to it, you want to right click on the video, go to Properties, go over to Media, and you want to go down where it says Pixel Aspect Ratio and select that and go to the one that says 1.45 or 1.45 PAL DV widescreen. So you want to select that, and as you can see when I select it, you'll see the video like automatically get black borders on it like a movie. See how we have that right there? Let's preview that in best really quick. Alright, well, I wouldn't suggest using that. Well, that's what I don't use, so you can use it if you want to, but I'm going to get out of that. Alright, now all you want to do is select all that, File, Render As, and also in File Properties, make sure your quality is set to Best and not Good. And okay, I'm going to name this video, let's say, Lancer or something like that. And you want to make sure your save as type is Windows Media Video 9. You want to make sure of that. So that's like the best to me. And the template is set to default. So all you want to do is save, and it should render it out. And after this gets done, you can go back and check it out, or post a quality test on YouTube to see how you like it. And that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.